Hello, this is kind of the review for the test coming up. And one of the things that you do have to memorize are these 6 trig functions. As you can see right here, I have kind of a little thing put up here. We have, for sine theta, opposite over hypotenuse. And cosecant, his hypotenuse over opposite just goes the opposite way. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so secant would be hypotenuse over adjacent. Tangent's opposite over adjacent, so cotangent is adjacent over opposite. They are the reciprocal relationships on top. This is something that kind of needs to be memorized. We're going to do this next section because the very first part of the test that is coming up here, as you will see, is the following, right? Is to label these appropriately correctly. That's why I had that SOHCAHTOA up there that might be helpful. Kind of be able to remember that because I remember how to spell it. But SOHCAHTOA, and then you have to remember the reciprocal relationships. So opposite over adjacent would be the tangent, and the reciprocal of tangent is the cotangent, which means it would be adjacent over opposite. So I'll go ahead and put cotangent right here on number 3. The next one here we have adjacent over hypotenuse. That's with the C, which you have to remember still is cosine, because there are 3 that start with C. So this is cosine. And the reciprocal of the cosine is the secant. So the hypotenuse over adjacent will be this number 6. And now we have 4 and 5. Opposite over hypotenuse, S. Sine. So this is sine theta. And the reciprocal of it is the cosecant, which is right here, the cosecant theta. These you have to memorize. Without memorizing what they are, it's going to be very difficult to do trigonometry ever.